Today we are going to talk about one of the most affordable businesses in Dubai or in UAE where you really don't have to put a lot of money. It's just a business that anyone can start at any point of time. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ras Al Lifestyle. We are talking about the laundry business. Yes. So if you're a first timer, say it's your first business and you want to start something very small, laundry business is your thing to do. Or if you're already into same business and you know the tactics of the business, you know how to run this business, then of course you will already know. And in this video, we will explain you how much it's going to cost you, how you can do the setup, what is the total investment. So let's get started. First thing, the total cost for setting up a laundry business, the minimal cost I'm talking about, like not in a very posh area, but in an average area with the trade license and with all other requirements, it's going to cost you anything between 30,000 to 50,000 to set up a laundry business. That includes your trade license, your maybe the shop for rent and whatever requirements are. So the range is between 30,000 to 50,000 dirhams. Now, if you want to understand how much the trade license exactly is going to cost you, how much the rest of the process of the paperwork is going to cost you, you can go to our website, which is bellbottomdubai.com, and we have a cost calculator. Put in your details there, put in the nature of the business there. It's going to give you a quotation with the exact pricing that you will be paying for any sort of business setup in UAE or in Dubai, not just the laundry business. So I will give a rough idea. The trade license is going to cost you anything between 6,000 to 10,000 dirhams, right? Then if you take a space, you don't need a very huge space for laundry business. You need a very small space because basically, there are two formats in laundry. One is you can, have a space where you're receiving, the inventory, and then you're getting it washed, you're getting it cleaned from a third party, and then you're getting it back and you're delivering it to people, right? So now you don't need a very huge space for receiving the clothes, receiving the stuff, receiving the material, right? Or whatever the clean stuff comes in back to you to keep it right there at your store. So you just need the minimal stuff, minimal space for that. Now that is one format where you're actually outsourcing the work to a centralized place, to a centralized laundry, right? Which makes your work very easy because you'll be focusing on getting more and more customers, not focusing on doing the actual work, right? Because actual work will be done by somebody else. Similarly, how we do a cloud kitchen or a centralized kitchen for many restaurants, right? So for example, these days, there are 10 restaurants and they're all sourcing their food from a centralized kitchen, right? So every restaurant doesn't separately, cook or make heavy meals at their place. They only serve, everything comes in from the centralized kitchen. Even the deliveries, they go from the centralized kitchen as well. So similarly, in this format also, you can source it from a central point, which is a centralized laundry, and all your work is outsourced. You're only having a sales counter where you receive the clothes and you give back the clothes once they're cleaned or once they're ready. So that is one format. Other format is you open a bigger laundry, have a bigger space, do everything on your own, do washing, cleaning, everything on your own. That is also possible, but as I said, the investment in that kind of format will be slightly higher than what we are talking about. So if you want something cheapest, more affordable, then go in the first format where you can outsource the work and you can only have the sales at your space, and you could only concentrate on bringing in more and more business. So that obviously works well for someone who is new into this business or who's starting at a new place or in a new country like UAE. So I will suggest you to go with the first format. Initially, once you understand the business very well, you can go with the second format as well. So What are the requirements? What do you need? It's very basic. We just need the passport copy of yours, a photograph of yours to start the process, wherein you get the initial approval, you get the trade name reservation done. Then we apply for the trade license. Usually you get the trade license mostly on the same day. And then next you start looking for the space. Once you finalize the space, you can start doing your business. If you already have a visa, great, you can use that visa. If you don't have a visa, you can apply for a visa from your own company for yourself. And you can also give visas to your employees from the same company. Now, if you are new in Dubai, or if you're new in UAE, or if you're not here in UAE and you need help with all of this process, we have a dedicated team who will help you doing the entire process, right? And the details are right here in the below the video. You could reach out to my team there, and maybe you could WhatsApp them, or you could just pick up the phone and give them a call. However, if you want to reach out to me directly and you have any questions and you want me to answer them, I have a couple of ways for you. One of them is reaching out to me on my Instagram for a quicker update, and the Instagram ID is here, which is Asif_War. You can also reach out to me on my email, which is asifwar2012@gmail.com. Whenever you write me an email, please do not forget to drop in your contact details so that I can reach out to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you had some information that was useful for you in this video. Please do share this video, do comment here, and reach out to us at any point of time. We're always available for you. Till then, ciao.